What is up, bosses? In this video, we're going to show you how to connect your Book Like a Boss account to your Mailchimp account. So you're going to go into Other Settings, click on Integrations, click on the Connect your Mailchimp over here. Make sure your username and password is in and log in. Authorize Book Like a Boss to connect to your Mailchimp account. And you'll see down here below, you're now connected. You can disconnect by clicking the red button, but we're not going to do that now. Current list, no list selected, so make sure you choose a list from your Mailchimp lists. Click Update. And you can see now that this is now where anytime you get a booking, the email will automatically be added to this list in Mailchimp. And if you want to change list, just click Change List. Quite simple. Update, list selected, and boom, you're done. And that's how you connect your Book Like a Boss account to Mailchimp.